Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kerry here from iDigital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about Mind Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we're using one because beginners will only try it before they can see if they can make money or not. And that's what we're going to show you, the type of results I get from promoting this particular product using Mind Lead Gen Secrets. Now you might get better results than me, you get worse results than me. I'm just showing you what I get. Alright guys. Alright guys, so anyway, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, link in the description if you're interested in following along. Let's get started. Alright, so first off, let me state the reason why I like promoting it. This $25 business, because it's a good product. It's essentially a funnel builder, comes with a lot of stuff too. Every step there's videos for every single thing in the system, like tells you exactly what to do and so on and so forth. But if you use the funnel builder before, you can use this. It's simply the same stuff, basically the same stuff, but this time you paying $25 for no limitations, like domain name, how many funnels you can make, stuff like that. You're only paying $25. Alright. Excuse me. I'm paying $25 for all of that. Now to compare ClickFunnels, the most popular funnel builder out there in the world, is $150 per month with a ton of limitations. And if you want to get rid of those limitations, you have to pay $300 per month. $300 compared to $25. I think it's a pretty fair bet that this is a really good product to promote. Alright guys, very good. Alright, so the second reason why I like promoting, and the reason why I think you guys are interested and why I was initially interested, is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. 80% recurring commissions is the highest I have ever heard by far. The closest before 80 was 40. I never heard anything beyond 40 until I seen this program in particular, which said 80. And they true to their words. There's no hidden fees and stuff like that. There's a ton of hidden fees with a lot of products, and they don't really have many. They don't really have any really like that. It's a very, very promising amount of money. What you see, what you get. You know what I mean? And you can really build your income like this if you really wanted to. I personally just use it to show you how easy it is to do this. But anyway, guys, let's look at our results. We're gonna refresh the page to show real results. Don't believe results if they ain't refreshed. Alright guys, look like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. That happens sometimes. Alright, so let's move on here. Now we're gonna go into Mind Lead Gen Secrets, log in. All you gotta do is put in your information and get in that. And you go to mailing system here. You can click on this. Now we're gonna go to our next email here. Let's see, which one is it? Filling my money up. We're just gonna load that up like that. Boom, boom. Just the email. Pretty short. Now the link you want to use, guys, is you want to use this link here. The all-in-one 25 business sales letter here. Very easy. Just click on that. You make sure that link works, guys, and that's pretty much it. You're gonna hit preview and make sure the link works like this. That's pretty much it. Make sure to hit perfect time and does. With perfect time and does, send an email around time people check the email. All right, guys. So the link works. So the link works clearly. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. So we're gonna send an email, and that's about it. That's all it takes, guys. Now, if all I wanted to do was send an email and had all the emails already in the system, it would have took me like less than a minute to do that. But that's all I really needed to do. Just come here. I just needed to come here, do this real quick, load up an email, send it. That's it. Simple. Because you're sending it to new people. By the time you could rotate around by 30 emails, 20, 30 emails, because you're constantly getting new people in the system. So the email rotation don't really matter. But anyway, guys, that's all there is to that. Like I stated before, you're interested in following along, the link's in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. And
bye. Have a beautiful time.